What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna go over how to connect and transfer files to Google Drive from Windows. The easiest way to make your life better when using Google Drive is through an app called CloudMounter. And you might wanna stick around because I do have a discount code at the end of the video that'll save you a little bit of money. Now, Google Drive is great, don't get me wrong. It's very reliable, it's made by Google of all companies, and it works. But if you are like me and you use multiple cloud services or even multiple devices, things can start feeling a little bit messy. That's where CloudMounter comes in. This app basically changed everything about the way that I handle my files. It helps you connect with Google Drive from Windows and moves things around like they're all stored right on your computer. Quick story time. I run a photo and video business, and after a shoot, I usually choose to deliver finished photos and videos through Google Drive. It's always been my go-to. But one day I was trying to download files from Google Drive so I can deliver them to a couple and realized that all my stuff was all over the place. Some were in Dropbox, others were in OneDrive, and the rest in Google Drive. I spent more time searching for files than I did editing them, which is crazy. Then I found CloudMounter. This app lets you connect everything in one place. It's like having a universal control panel for all of your files. You can literally drag and drop between services. So for example, if you need to move something from Dropbox over to Google Drive, you just drag it over and done, that's it. And if you are someone who works with big files or multiple devices, this is huge. It is hands down the easiest way to manage Google Drive from Windows. Now, here's something that most people don't realize at all. Google Drive and other cloud services like OneDrive kind of let you do this, but they have limits. The Google Drive desktop app works fine for simple storage, but it won't let you connect to other cloud storages like Dropbox, and it won't let you easily move files between them. Switching between them can get really annoying real fast. And on top of that, there's no built-in encryption, which means your files are just sitting there kind of vulnerable, waiting for someone to snoop around. So the smarter move is to add Google Drive to File Explorer using CloudMounter. Let me show you how to move files from Google Drive to PC using CloudMounter. Just head over to their website, download the installer, and click yes when prompted. The setup only takes a couple of minutes, and once it's done, you'll see CloudMounter sitting on your desktop. That's pretty much it. Once you're in, you can easily move files from Google Drive to PC. It feels very natural because it's built right into the same place that you already use for everything else. No browser tabs, no weird syncing or anything like that. It's just built in. You can copy files, encrypt, share, or transfer data without worrying about storage space or where your data lives. If you run a business, or even if you have a ton of personal stuff spread across multiple clouds like myself, CloudMounter makes it all feel so seamless. To wrap it up, using CloudMounter really transforms how you work with Google Drive on Windows. It takes away all the little bit of annoyances that really can slow you down and gives you way more control over your files. Before you go, grab that 15% off discount code right below in the description. Subscribe if you want more simple and smart tech tutorials, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.